Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel and today we are at Qijin Island or Cijin Island. It's a beautiful day, super excited to explore this place. They got food, they got electric tricycle rentals and such, so we'll probably get one of those after we grab some food here and cruise around the island, and it should be fun. So if you're into food and travel, make sure to subscribe to see more of this kind of content. So we ended up coming over to Kaohsiung from Taiwan, and you can take a ferry from the mainland over to the island. It's a really short ferry. It's not that expensive. It's a pretty cool ride, and you can see the waterway and such. So right now we are on what they call Old Street, but it's basically like a food street. It's the main drag on the island. It's right in front of the ferry port, so you won't miss it. So let's see what we can eat, huh? So apparently there's this slightly famous spot that Anita has found right over here, so we'll go ahead and check that out. This street is a lot bigger than I thought it was, actually. Alright, so we found this little shop. It's super crowded, it's a little noisy, but they have like a Taiwanese style thick soup. If you ever had hot and sour soup and it's very thick like that, it's kind of the same style but with different ingredients. And they also have it's like a loaded sticky rice kind of thing. Not 100%. So it's not actually a sticky rice, but it's just like a pork sauce rice. Not 100%, so we'll wait for it to get here and we'll check it out. Anita's ordering right now. Right. So I guess they're famous for the soup. The flavor is super mild, actually. I think we're gonna find some vinegar and chili for that soup. Vinegar. There's the rice. It's kind of like the roll from. They also got like a southern Taiwan style shrimp roll here. It's actually pretty good, the sweet and sour sauce. This place is just okay. I don't really know why there's so many people here. Is it really cheap? How much was all this? Well, all this food was only like $4, so that's probably why it's so crowded. Apparently it was on the local news, so that's why we're giving it a shot. But you know. So now we are gonna go ahead and rent one of these electric bicycles. It sits two of us side by side, so it should be kind of fun. We can cruise around the little island here and check stuff out. Yeah, let's get this done.
Daniel just scares people.
Well, that's what happens when you stop in the middle of the road. Oh, we're getting passed by a scooter, man. Let's go faster.
No.
Life is always a competition, my young friends.
Parking. We're going to the lighthouse.
A little bit of a hike here, but we parked our bicycle. Oh, it's kind of like an electric scooter bicycle. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, we parked that pile and now we're kind of walking up a little hill here, and the lighthouse is just up here. Yeah, so we decided the lighthouse is a little too far. It's that giant mountain you saw on the way in. It's not gonna happen. So we found this nice lookout about 20% of the way up. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. The background is nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god! We're stuck. Can we get off? Oh my god! I think we will break this car.
So now I'm trying to look for a bathroom. Yeah, this is like real travel life right here. Not like, the Instagram sunset beaches or any of that BS. It's all about looking for a place to pee. Alright, so found the bathroom. There's a little bit of a boardwalk here. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling over here on the backside of the island. There's a beach here. This beach is pretty nice. It's quiet, it's peaceful. Got some palm trees. Alright, next stop.
I think before Qijin is pretty boring to me, but recently they have like more activity going on, so I think it's more interesting. It's more fun. You seems like it really enjoy this bicycle.
This is
thing.
awesome. I used to ride motorcycles, so it's been a while. This is kind of a nice substitute without the danger. Oh, we're gonna drive through the bus stop. Oh well. Oops. Woo!
Daniel's driving is very aggressive.
Yeah.
That's how you roll normally.
Yep. I'm that guy. Cool. So now we're at the Sea Park View Visitor Center, I believe it's called. This looks like it's a little bit towards the end of the island here, so we'll probably be turning around soon. But yeah, this is a beautiful area over here. Like, got that nice breeze, got that sunshine, everyone's just kind of chilling. It's got some nice vibes. It's like a rainbow art installation. It's like obviously a picture spot. There it is. People are like running through it and stuff, but if I shoot it from this angle, you got the sun and it's all dark, so I'm gonna do it from the side, so hopefully you guys can still see it. And yeah, it's probably a little less artsy though, but hey, you know. All right, so we're just cruising along this, I guess it's kind of like a bicycle trail along the beach here, and you know, there's all these art installations and, you know, things to see. It's all very beautiful. It kind of makes it a lot easier with the electric bicycle, but you can rent just a standard bicycle too. And then on the left side, there's actually a few temples. That one up there actually looks pretty neat, so I think we're gonna head over there right now. Woo!
We are now heading back.
Yeah, so we rented this thing for 2 hours for about $9 and change. Which is not bad for the amount of fun we had on it, but our time is almost up, so we're heading back to the rental agency or whatever it's called. Dropping off the old girl here. It was quite the adventure, I would have to say. It's pretty cool. I mean, if you're in Taiwan and the city for the most part, you just want to kind of get out, and everyone's a lot more chill here. Everyone's kind of doing their own thing, but it's kind of fun to grab the little, grab the bicycle and cruise around on the beach end over there. And it's some very nice scenery as well. It looks like the line to get back on this ferry is kind of crazy. So I think we're gonna grab some dinner maybe, since lunch was pretty light. All right, so we're back heading up the old street. We're gonna do some seafood for dinner. Hopefully it's pretty good. Anita looked up this place, but it was kind of far away. It's like an hour to walk. So actually this island's pretty big. I thought it was pretty small, but it's really long. Yeah, so earlier we ate at that place right there. So a lot of stuff going on here. Wow, crazy. Oh, what are we gonna get?
It's just like a random customized. So what do you feel like?
We're gonna get some baked clams. Got some shrimp. How'd you like the island so far, babe?
Yeah, it's fun. It's better than I thought.
How's my driving?
Crazy.
All right, so we just kind of randomly picked this, you know, fresh seafood restaurant on the main drag here. This is like the old street, which is basically probably the main tourist drag. So we ordered shrimp, stir-fried, baked clams, calamari or squid, I'm not sure, and then some fried rice. And, almost forgot, we also got some kind of mountain vegetable stir-fry. Kind of looks like a fern, maybe, I don't know. And then also, dang. Oh, this mountain veggie thing is pretty good. It looks like they did it with ginger and these little dried fish. Their shrimp came, it's pretty awesome.
Cheers.
The squid just got here, and it is freaking amazing. I would say it's like a salt, pepper, garlic kind of stir fry, and has a little sweet flavor on it. I don't know, it's really, really good. It's not chewy or anything. It's pretty amazing. This is the store's special dish. Yeah, it's really good. I almost forgot, but we got giant baked clams. Look at the size of those guys. It's gonna be delicious. Look at this beast. These are baked clams. Anita's also been peeling shrimp for me, so I don't have to peel it. Thanks, babe.
I should win the Best Girlfriend Award.
Yeah. Definitely.
A really huge clam. It's a bit salty. I think it's great. I like seafood, so this is awesome to me.
Yeah. I thought it was pretty good as well. I didn't really like the clams too much because I think they were a little undercooked. The first one was cooked perfectly and I really enjoyed it, and the second one was a little like raw in the middle, and it's just, yeah, I just can't do that. But yeah, like the veggies were great. Stir-fried shrimp with basil, amazing. And that garlic, salt, pepper, calamari was really, really, really good. I like totally next level kind of stuff. It's delicious. Everything here kind of has a little sweetness to it. I think they just put a little sugar in everything. So, you know, after a long day of riding the electric bicycle, it was welcome. But, you know, if this was an everyday thing, it'd be a little too sweet, a little too much, you know. So, yeah, all in all, pretty good. Guess we have to wait to see the damage, see what the bill is. That wasn't so bad. It was under 1,000 NT, so about $30. I thought it was going to be a lot more than that. We got a lot of stuff, so pretty nice. Recommended. All right, cool. So we finished with the restaurant. It's pretty delicious. I'm pretty happy. And now we're going to walk down to the ferry terminal. And yeah, I think we're going to call it a day and maybe try to get some drone shots of the upcoming sunset. So check it out.